So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mayurakshi and I'm going to make chocolate cake. And at first we will need 1 cup of maida or flour, and then strain it with a strainer. And after that we will need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure you are giving only 1 tablespoon and not more than that, because if we will put more than that, the cake will not bake and it will be like watery. And after that you have to take just 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, only 1/4 tablespoon, otherwise it will just pump up very much. And after that you have to take 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can take any powdered sugar. If you are using a beater, you can take normal grain sugar also, but you can powder it in the mixer grinder as I have, or you can use the icing sugar also. And after that you have to take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I am taking here Cadbury cocoa powder. You can use any cocoa powder as your taste, and make sure it is unsweetened and it is not at all sweetened, because we have already give 1 cup of sugar. And after that stir it, and from the strainer keep it in the bowl. And after that you can see all the grains has been stayed in the strainer. And now we will add some milk. I am using here 1 cup milk, but we don't need taking full 1 cup. We don't need it. I'm taking here just showing that how much at the right quantity you need. So we are taking here a little by little and mixing it very nicely. Make sure there are no lumps. And now you can see I used only half a cup milk, because in half a cup it was pretty good mixture. It was not being like a thick mixture, or it was not lumpy. So I just mixed it very well. And after that I put it half a cup of refined oil, and I have kept some refined oil in the bowl. You can see why I will keep it. You will see at the end of the video, not the end actually, now only. And after that we will take vanilla essence. You can take any vanilla essence, and you can take any essence actually. That's nothing to use vanilla essence only. You can take butterscotch essence, then strawberry essence. And for I am taking around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, because I want some strong flavor. That's why you can use as per your taste. After that mix it very well. And now I am greasing it. So you remember that I told that I have kept some oil in the bowl from that half cup, and I will now grease it with that same oil. And I like greasing with the hand, so I don't like greasing it with the brush. So now we'll just pour it very nicely, the mixture, the non-lumpy mixture, very nicely. And make sure that it's non-lumpy. If it is lumpy, then you will get some problems while making it. So now I have kept it, and now I have kept. So now we will put it in the gas. So at first we will take a gas non-stick pan, or any pan you can take, and put there 1 steel small plate, and then put lid and keep it for preheating for 7 minutes. Make sure only 7 minutes. After that take out and place the mixture. And I am actually not putting it, my mother is putting, because I on the gas, but I cannot put this, and you guys also, if you are a child like me, then you also tell your mother and fathers to do. And you can see I'm showing here that I have put it in low sim, and after that I have off my gas. And sorry for this like dhuasa effect because of the gas. And now I will check with the toothpick, and you can see I have checked it and there is nothing sticking to the toothpick, so it's ready. So now I'll flip it. The flipping time is the most funniest time while making cake. So I'm just tapping, but it's not happening. So again I'm tapping, and you can see now it happened. So you can see I have out of the cake. The cake is out of the mold. Actually not a mold, it's a Borosil glass bowl. You can use any bowl. And after that just cut the cake, and I'm showing you how to cut the cake. So you can see, and hope you guys like today's video. If you liked it, please like this video, share it with your friends and family members, and comment in this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.